Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. First of all, you need to access Tap menu. Now look for location icon and click on it. Over here, select close in the pop-up, and as you can see now, location is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just tap on the same icon. If you wish to, you can also go into settings over here, scroll down, choose location section, and manage location of your smartphone by tapping on the switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!